السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome my dears grade 5 in language schools. Math is fun by شيماء سعيد. أحب أفكركم إن قناتي التعليمية موجود عليها دروس للمرحلة الابتدائية والمرحلة الإعدادية والمرحلة الثانوية، وكمان أي موضوع من موضوعات الإحصاء لطلبة الكليات والدراسات العليا اكتبولي الموضوع وهشرحه وأنزله لكم على القناة. قبل ما نبدأ شرح النهاردة اوعوا تنسوا تشتركوا في القناة وتفعلوا الجرس عشان توصلكوا جميع دروس العام الدراسي 2020 ترم أول وترم تاني. النهاردة هنشرح موديل تيستس اللي موجودة في كتاب المدرسة الثلاث نماذج الاسترشادية، ونبدأ بأول موديل. First choose the correct answer. The triangle whose measure of their angles 50 degree, 90 degree, 40 degree is an acute angle triangle or an obtuse angle triangle or a right angle triangle. 50, 90, 40. 90 degree is a right angle, so this triangle is a right angle triangle. 4 and 1 over 8 times 2 and 2 over 3 equals. Firstly, convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So multiply 4 by 8, then add 1. Don't forget to divide by the denominator. 4 times 8 equals 32 plus 1 equals 33. Don't forget to write 8 in the denominator. Times 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8 over 3. Now we will simplify. 8 divided 8 equals 1. 8 divided 8 equals 1. 33 divided 3 equals 11. 1 times 11 equals 11. So the result is 11. If the set of 7 and 10 subset from the set of x plus 4 and 10, then x equals 3. Because 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3.75 times 1000. When we multiply decimal number by 1000, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. 3 places to the right. So, the result is 3750. Half and third. Half less than or greater than or equal to third. Excellent. Half greater than third. Look at this shape. The shaded part is x intersect y or x union y or y subset from x. Excellent. X intersect y. The common elements between x and y. Now 55.241 times 100. Other side we have 552.41 times 10. When we multiply decimal number by 100, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right of the number. So this number becomes 5524.1. Other side we have 552.41 times 10. When we multiply decimal number by 10, we move the decimal point 1 place to the right of the number. So that number becomes 5524.1. The same. So put equal sign. 2 over 3 times unknown number equals 1. Excellent. 2 over 3 times its reciprocal, which is 3 over 2 equals 1. "45 days to the nearest week. How many many days in 1 week? 7 days. So divide 43 by 7. 43 divided by 7 equals 6 and 1 day as a rest. So it's nearest to 6 weeks. Any chord passing through the center of the circle is called diameter or radius? Diameter. The set of 52 subset from the set of 52 because any set subset from itself. Now 12.3 times unknown number equals 1230. 12.3 times 100, excellent, equals 1230. 5 over 8, we will compare between 5 over 8 and 0.5734. Is it less than or greater than or equal to? You know that 1 over 8 equals 0.125. 1 over 8 equals 0.125. So when we want to get the value of 5 over 8, we multiply 0.125 by 5, which is 0.6. So it's greater than 0.537. Second, complete. In the opposite figure, MA equals MA is a radius in the circle. So MA equal MP because MB is a radius, and equal MC because MC is a radius. The longest chord in the circle is AB because the diameter is the longest chord in the circle. 4 over 12 divided by 6 over 12. At first, we will write 4 over 12. Firstly, we will write 4 over 12 as it is. Then convert division sign to multiplication sign. Don't forget to get the reciprocal of 6 over 12, which is 12 over 6. Now we will get the value in the simplest form. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 4 over 6. We can divide both terms by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the result is 2 over 3 in the simplest form. The probability of the sure event equals 1. If x over 8 equals 15 over 24, then x equals, excellent, 5. Because 5 times 3 equals 15, 8 times 3 equals 24. In the opposite figure, if ME equals 3 cm, then the perimeter of square equal ME is a radius equal 3 cm, so the diameter equals 6 cm. So the side length of the square equals the diameter equals 6 cm. If we want to get the perimeter of the square, we will multiply the side length by 4. 6 times 4 equals 24 cm. 65.384 minus unknown number equals 65. Pay attention. 65.384 minus 65 equals 0.384. 3 over 25 divided by unknown number equals 25 over 3. So we will divide 3 over 25 by 25 over 3. The result is 9 over 625. Draw the triangle ABC where AB equals 4 cm, BC equals 6 cm, CA equals 8 cm. Then draw a circle its center B and its radius 4 cm. Okay, firstly we will use our ruler to draw AB 4 cm. After that, Open your compass 6 centimeter and draw arc, and open it again as 8 centimeter and draw intersecting arc, and draw another arc. They intersect at one point. Join BC and join AC. After that, we want to draw a circle. Its center B and its radius 4. So AB is a radius. Put the compass here and then draw the circle. From the table, find the probability that a pupil play basketball. Okay, the number of all pupils equals 50 plus 40 plus 10. 50 plus 40 equals 90. 90 plus 10 equals 100. So, if we want to get the probability that the pupil play basketball, we will write 40 over 100. 40 over 100 in the simplest form, we will divide both terms by 20. 40 divided 20 equals 2. 100 divided by 20 equals 5. Now arrange in ascending order. 5 and half, 6 and quarter, 5 and 3/4, 5 and 2/5. Okay, we can write these numbers in a decimal form: 5.50, 6.25, 5.75, 5.40. Excellent. When we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, we have 4 over 10, which is 40. Now the greatest one is 6.25, which is 6 and quarter. After that we have 5.75, which is 5 and 3/4. After that we have 5.50, which is 5 and half. The smallest one and the last one is 5 and 2/5, which is 5.40. Find the width of a rectangle whose area is 10.25 meters square and its length is 4.1 meter. Then find its perimeter. Okay, you know that area of rectangle equals length times width. So when I want to calculate width equals area divided by length. So width equals 10.25 divided by 4.1, which is 2.5 meter. Now if I want to find its perimeter, the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. So 4.1 plus 2.5 all times 2 equals 13.2 meter. Model 2. First choose the correct answer. 3.36 kilometer equals, is it 3.36 meter or 33.6 meter or 336 meter or 3,360 meter? When we convert kilometer to meter, we multiply number by 1,000. So 3.36 times 1,000 equals 3,360. 9 times 3 over 25 equals to the nearest tenth. We convert this number to decimal number. We will multiply 3 by 2 and multiply 25. We will multiply 3 by 4 and 25 by 4. So this number is 9.12. 9.12 to the nearest tenth equals 9.1. 5 over 6 divided by 1 and 1 over 6. We can convert it to 5 over 6 divided by 7 over 6. Then convert division operation sign 2 multiplication operation sign and get the reciprocal of 7/6, which is 6/7. Now the result in the simplest form equals 5/7. Zero 0.312 times 100 equals 31.2. 312 divided 100 equals 31.2. The same, so put equal sign. The smallest number from the following is 0.111 or 0.12 or 0.123. Excellent, 0.111. 10 times 4.72, 100 times 0.472, 100 times 0.472. When we multiply this decimal number by 10, we move the decimal point one place to the right of the number. So the result here is 47.2. And when we multiply the decimal number by 100, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right of the number. So that number will become 47.2. It's the same, so put equal sign. Now 1.6 times 3/5 greater than 1.6 times, which one? Excellent, 0.3. Because 1.6 is, because 3/5 is greater than 0.3. The shaded part represent, is it x union y, or x intersect y, or x difference y, or y difference x? Excellent, x union y. Here we have the set of all elements inside x and y. If y equals the set of 2, 3, and 5, intersects the set of 1, 3, and 5, then the set of 1 and 2, subset or not subset from y? Y equals the set of, excellent, 3 and 5. So the set of 1 and 2, not subset from y. In the opposite figure, mn equals 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 centimeter. M here and n here. This is 2 centimeters, so the radius here is 2 centimeters. That is 3 centimeters, so the radius here is 3 centimeters. Adding 2 to 3 equals 5 centimeters, so mn equals 5 centimeters. The length of the diameter of any circle and the length of any chord in it doesn't passing through the center. The length of diameter greater than, because the diameter is the longest chord passing through the center of the circle. The set of 0 and the set of 1, 2, 5, 8. The set of 0 doesn't subset from the set of 1, 2, 5, and 8. But if he asked me 5 subset from any set. The number 736, the number 736.592 to the nearest tenths or hundredths or thousandths equals 736.59. 0.59 to the nearest hundredths, because we cancel 2 and write the rest number as it is. 2/3 equals 16/c, the value of c. 2 multiply 8 equals 16, so 3 multiply 8 equals 24, so c equals 24. Secondly, complete. If the probability of a pupil succeed in an exam is 8/10, then the probability of his fail is 2/10. In the simplest form, 1/5. If x x subset from y, then x intersect y equals x. If he asks me x union y equals y. In the opposite figure, the corresponding height, space BC, is AP. Now the shaded part represents y difference x or x difference y? Excellent, x difference y. A circle, its radius 1 centimeter, then its diameter 2 centimeter. 4.6798 approximated to the nearest thousands equals, we will cancel 8 and increase the value of thousands placed by 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8, so the result is 4.680. 2 and quarter times unknown number equals 1. Firstly, convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9 over 4. 9 over 4 times 4 over 9 equals 1. 3978 divided by unknown number equals 3.978. Put the decimal point after 3 places. So divided by 1000 equals 3.978. If universal set equals x such that x is an odd number less than 15, x equals the set of 1 and 3, y equals the set of 1, 5, 9 and 13, draw a Venn diagram that represents the sets u, x, y, then find x intersect y. Firstly, we will draw universal set. The set of odd numbers less than 15 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. 13. So, x intersect y adds x intersect y at 1. So, write 1 here, then write 3 inside x, then write 5, 9 and 13 inside y. Don't forget to write 7 and 11 here. X intersect y adds a set of 1. Draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter, then draw the diameter AB and the chord AC of length 3 centimeter. Join BC and measure its length. Okay. Open your compass 2.5 centimeter, then draw the circle. After that, join to have AP. If we want to draw the chord AC 3 centimeter, we will open the compass again 3 centimeters and draw the arc, intersect at point C. Now join BC to have the triangle. Use your ruler to measure its length. The measure of BC equals 4 centimeters. A box contains identical poles where 5 poles are white, 9 red, and 6 black. If one of the poles is chosen randomly, what is the probability that the chosen pole is white? You have 5 white poles. The number of all poles equals 6 plus 5 plus 9, which is 20. So the probability of the chosen pole is white equals 5 over 20. The number of white poles over the number of all poles. 5 over 20 in the simplest form equals 1 over 4. A rectangle, its length 4.1 centimeter and its width is 3.5 centimeter. Calculate its area. Area of rectangle equals length times width. So we will multiply 4.1 by 3.5. 4.1 times 3.5 equals 14.35 meters squared. 4.1 times 3.5 equals 14.35. centimeter square. Many thanks my dear. See you in next lesson inshallah with my best wishes. شيماء سعيد.